Hi there, another newsletter from the Paoli Group, and today we actually wanted to just touch on two topics. This is going to be a little bit shorter than the last couple, but two topics we think are worth talking about are, one is the new appraised values from the assessor, and then the other was we're starting to see a little bit of inventory show up. So if you're looking to buy, we definitely think it's time to be paying attention. There's some properties that are looking pretty interesting that are popping up. So on the first subject, with the new tax appraisals, I'm not sure if everybody's opened up their new valuations, but if you haven't, go for it, and it's going to be pretty shocking. I mean, we've seen values go up from 70% to, we have one property that went up like 300%. So if you open up your valuation and you see that it looks a little bit out of whack to you, don't hesitate to call. We've been talking to a lot of folks about it. Some things to note is that the assessor has, because of the big appreciation that we saw over the appraisal period, they've been putting on a monthly appreciation number for all sales of anywhere from 3 to 5%, which, so the way it works is they use comps that occurred between January 1st of 2021 and June 30th of 2022. So if you had a sale that occurred on January 1st of 2021, they're going to adjust that sale price up by, for example, 3% a month until you get to June 30th. So the comps are really hard to argue. What we are seeing, and it's definitely worth taking a look, the appraisers in the assessor's office are working with thousands of properties. So they have to use a big batch pool of data. And every now and then we're finding things that are that are good opportunities for you guys to go dispute. So the assessor doesn't have the ability to grind down on each individual property. So if you think something's totally out of whack, definitely give us a call. For a bunch of you guys, we've been trying to catch some things that are out of whack on our own, but don't hesitate. The next thing we have noticed is inventory starting to pop up a little bit. We're seeing new properties come on the market, not a ton, but a few more than in the past. We kind of monitor the new listings and the pending contracts, and we're definitely seeing some opportunities there for buyers. We will say that we aren't seeing the demand disappear. The demand is still pretty strong. We put a property on the market, for 1.4, and we had 5 offers in a week, and we ended up under contract, pretty well above the asking price. And then just recently we were in another bidding war. So, the market is still competitive. There's still a lot of buyers out there, but for those of you that we've talked to that are buyers that do want to look at getting into the market, we definitely think it's worth paying attention as we are seeing the inventory pop up. So anyway, look forward to talking to anybody who wants to discuss the new appraised values. And if you are looking to get into the market, give us a call, because definitely time to be paying attention.